Today we are going to Mazda Fun Festa. But before that, we are just going to have a quick lunch first with our friends. And then diretso tayo ng Mazda Fun Festa. Let's go, guys! Just arrived at Molito and we are just waiting for our friends. Medyo napaaga tayo but yeah, let's just wait for them. What's up, guys?
So, I can smell your vape.
It's not my vape.
I can smell the cologne and the vape.
It's the cologne, not the vape.
Oh.
I saw Charles.
Charles just arrived nga eh.
Where? Where are we going?
Wobbly pan. Pero if you guys want Japanese, we can try Miyazaki.
Miyazaki.
Charles just have to check lang daw yung Mamacita.
Huh?
Charles just have to check Mamacita.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ba't sabay tayo? Check natin.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I'm buying Tesla
I
only.
thought you should just buy that.
Which one?
That right there.
The Mercedes?
Yep.
Not bad.
I love those guys.
I've considered the Mercedes actually. Getting a C-Class.
Yeah, get a C-Class.
But, you know, Tesla is much more
You're like a C300.
tipid. Tesla is much more tipid.
There's no gas.
Yeah, there's no gas. There's no
Think so, mate?
PMS. Yeah.
Let's go.
Wanna guys say hi?
Look who it is.
Yeah, you know
Look who it is.
What?
We're talking about
Inside look of Mamacita. Wait, it's like tracking your face. It's like tracking your face. What's up, bro?
So guys, we are inside Mamacita. This is my Charles. Welcome. Uy! Uy! Ito po ang Mamacita. Ganda, ganda.
Open na. Ayoko na mag-ingat sa medyo dito.
End of June? Lapit na rin pala eh. Pero ang laki ng branch nyo dito ah.
Malaking green belt. Sobrang laki ng green belt.
Ah, so meron din sa Greenbelt. So FYI guys, Mamacita is kila Charles. Ito sila Charles.
Oh! I went there. Diyan nagbibiro.
Yan, ano mga yan?
Tangin na lahat. Lahat ng pwede na
Katsu-katsu,
Japan.
ganun?
Oh, man.
Solid, no?
Grabe naman. Kaya ang yabang eh.
Grabe naman yung spoiler mo. Ay, hindi naman. Ayaw naman.
Sabi ngayon.
Boston tayo, tipan o dining area?
Right.
Ito ano?
Pwede ba dito sa ano? Pwede tayo, misa
Parang
na lang.
napunod ko na bro.
Parang wild.
Hindi ako ready.
No, right now it's only one.
Yeah, but like,
I came from worse because I used to have a restaurant in Singapore in Boracay. So there was a time I kept traveling every 2 weeks. I was always in the airport. And then I quit. Because it felt like I was spreading myself out too thin. Like I'm not really in the restaurant because I was always in transit.
You're in the plane more.
I had 3 restaurants in BGC, one in Boracay, one in Singapore, all at the same time. In the span of 3 years. And then I quit. I was like, fuck it.
Pero nandun pa, buhay pa. Singapore.
Hindi na. When I left, they tried to run it for 8-9 months and then they failed. Because I had differences with my previous partners as well. I didn't like them at all. Because they were politicians.
Yung dumating na yung food.
Doc, Mamacita, I'm only in charge with food. Yeah.
Oh, I think I know this car. Si Banana Moto. That's Banana Moto.
Yes, Carlos.
Diba? Ano?
ibang options?
Hindi, parang feeling ko used yan eh.
Kasi on hand.
On hand. Kasi wala akong makita. Pero okay na rin. Good deal kasi almost same price.
Ano, tara? Ito kami.
Sunod ako sa'yo.
Sundan ka namin.
Sige.
Pero, kailangan mag-gas ha? Like, dead talaga.
Sige, on the way naman eh.
Metron.
Ah.
Doon tayo magkita. Doon na lang sa ano.
Sa Petron. May Petron dyan sa ano yun.
Sa...
So ayun guys, we are now on the way to Mazda Cabuyao. And we are now heading to Mazda Fan Festa. Let's go! Afternoon. Tristan Gabriel Bal. Hiyata Club.
Ito sir, you can visit the booth po. Ito po yung mga sponsors natin. Pag baba nyo po ng car, isama nyo na lang po itong passport sa inyo. Para
Okay.
hindi nyo na po babalikan. And then, ito po yung mga schedules natin. Okay po. May mag-a-assist din naman po sa inyo sa parking.
Okay.
Okay po. Paano naman car club?
Ganda ng t-shirt na yan, sir ah.
Thank you.
Ganda nga no?
Oh, nandun.
Ganda nga ng t-shirt.
Sabi ko,
Hey,
basta sir. Nakahabol pa pala ako. Hindi
Oo
ako
nga eh.
nakasunod ng alabang eh. Galing akong Rockwell.
Ah, ganun. Puchang init.
Mainit no?
Dapat pala nag-shorts ako.
Boss, bawal po yan dito. Pwede, bawal siya.
Ha. Si Carlos ba yun?
Ito na nagawang init sila.
Hello.
Galing ang galing nila mag-detail.
Ganda no?
Parang orig paint pa yan. Tapos
Mukha nga eh.
pa nila. Ito, pinturado.
Isa tayo galing ng convoy.
Molito.
Galing kami Molito.
Kanina pa dito.
Point pa ko LLB, kano pa sila.
Aga! Kumali ka ba sa ano?
Hindi.
to make this car a success, and it's such a fun car to drive. The last best lap time we did was qualifying at a 2:06.66, so it was pretty good. And
Ladies and gentlemen, the simulator racing features your favorite teams competing in different categories. Here they are. Make some noise if you hear your groovy chest move.
Hey sir.
Fans, thank you so much.
Ito lang yung pinunta ko dito eh.
Ano size mo?
3.
Also here at our event is Hollow XL.
Ikaw, ano ulit mo?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, to the
Baka
pleasure to
suotin ko
welcome
na.
all of you. Make
Init
some noise from the President and CEO of Mazda Philippines, the one and only Mr. Steven Turner.
Esports or Esports Fan Festa. This is happening because number one, we had great community like you to come here. Many of you for the first time in Cabuyao Center of Excellence. Welcome all my friends.
They make our community so special. Whether you're here to check out some stunning hill catch, MCP Miata Cup racers, and 3 p.m. we have the MSCC Miata Spec Series racers. We have our brand segments all throughout.
Oy, mga sir.
Hello?
Hello sirs.
Wala ko pisina ko eh.
Ayun, naka-vlog to ah.
Gago.
Dapat mo talaga.
Ano yan?
Wala lang bag. Random shit.
Oy, hi Miss Angie. Hello. Good. Oh, I have a small cam.
Take a video of you.
size matters.
Can you say hi to my reviewer? Hi.
Hello.
Hello, hi. I'm a fan. Oh my god. Hello.
He owns Mamacita. If you've heard of Mamacita.
The Hudson.
Yeah. So we're opening Molito as well. Yan ang hinahanap ko.
Ay, thank you.
Huwag na kayo magpatayan sa start. Sayang.
Neutral ka eh.
Oo, pero nasa race kayo. So kung magpapatayan kayo, sinibira nyo ng ilang na isa't isa.
Ah, pero basta slap yung kukunin.
Oo, basta sabi mo muna.
Umiikot siya bro yung first gear.
When you shifted, tapos hindi ka naka-brake, iikot yung kasi hindi siya nag-engine brake. Ginawa ko yung CS kanina, tangina, tumilaban yung auto eh.
Ano masasabi mo?
Fun. Definitely fun.
Ano masasabi mo sa lap ni Carlos?
Amazing, 154 oh. Elite 100 agad. So, when seconds in? Pero mo sa tikal? Yung kalarage dati. Pero for me parang investment kasi yung magkano inabot sa'yo sa 8 una? 40. Yung kay Jan inabot 30 something. Yung ganyan po niya. Libre siya.
Onks lang.
Medyo lalaki kami uwang dyan yan kasi mag-atras sila.
Ano meron dyan? Ayun oh. Circuit, track.
Para pag umatras sila pa sa parang slalom.
Ano, Mustafan Festa.
Saya boy.
Ikaw, sir.
So much fun.
Init lang eh, no? How was it?
That's so awesome.
Nakasunod ko na rin kayo nun eh. Nung pagpakahilera kayo, sabi ko, ay tapo, ito yung mga dito sa kaya.
Uy, tara.
Ginagawa na natin
Every week nyo na yun na ano.
week na na eh, Thursday. Oo na yun.
Pogi.
Oo, isa pa yun. Para ako napuposo dyan. Ha? Suminawan naman ako.
Oh my, galing dun eh.
Bukas zipper mo. Ano kaya nangyakit yun dyan, no?
Nakakapagtaka eh, no?
Baka dito kasi.
Pinatagilid to.
Ano, pa-wide body tayo?
Magkano daw?
Hindi niya pa sa akin sinasabi.
Parang gusto ko nga. Ang ganda ah.
Pag nagpa-white body ka, parang mahirap i-bet.
Basta magandang... Hindi, madali lang yung... Hindi,
Hindi, I mean yung price wise.
madali siya ibenta kasi pwede mo sabihin galing lang kay Angie. Angie King.
Yun ang sasabihin.
Oo, benta na kagad yun.
Yung binibentang RF dati na racket body. Dating sa... yung machine grade. Hindi yung machine grade. Dating sa dad ni ano? Ni Joma.
Meron pa
Oo.
kulay pink ata eh.
Pandem ba yun? Pandem. Ano sabi niya sa'yo? Dati sumakay ka kanina pre.
Sabi niya,
Sumakay ka pre.
okay lang. Okay lang.
Ma-preserve mo yung connection mo.
Sabi nga ni Angie, medyo masikip. Sabi ko, huwag na. Mahirap kasi yung ano, yung naka full roll cage.
Full road. Bakit? Gab, dapat ganyan yung livery na gayahin mo. Parang full na. Ano.
Spec na eh, no?
Oo, parang spec. Kaya di bagay yan, Tol. Sabi sa'yo. Advan naman yung sa'yo, Tol. Labanan mo yung concept 1 nila.
Advan.
Advan lagay mo, no?
Oo.
Tapos ano bang, anong brand ng gulong mo, pre? Shampiro ba yun?
Champiro. GT.
diba?
GT Radial.
di ba?
Pares lang.
Ang ganda pala. Ang ganda nga naman ng Tascos ko.
Diba? Tara. Ingat, sir. Ingat, ingat.
Umataw doon sa ano, curb.
Tapos kapag gusto
Ingat, sir. Una na ako. Oo.
Marilaki.
Una na ako, sir. Ingat, ingat. Oh?
Wala ka bang award?
Ikaw alam, may award pa ba yung oras natin?
Ewan ko, baka sa akin na
Bounce na ako, sir.
Oh, sese.
Ingat, ingat.
See you around, see you around.
Sige, sir. Ingat. Ingat, ingat. And there you have it, guys. I just got home from a long day at Mazda Fun Festa, and I really enjoyed what happened all throughout the day. And right now, I guess pahinga na ako and of course refreshen up na. And yeah, hopefully we get to see more activities being held by Mazda, and I hope na we can also join in their future activities. Okay, anyway, I'll end this video now and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye, guys. Hi, Miss Angie. Hello, hello. Good, good. Oh, I have a small cam.